This time on Trailer Trash, the junk is running. And we're stuck. Made the front bumper today. Profiled it to match the truck. Super heavy duty C-channel all the way across. Look at the length of that shaft. Had a local driveline company put an extra 40 inches in this drive shaft, so it comes up to around, this section is now about 6 feet long. And they say that's as absolute long as you can go with this size tubing. He actually stepped up the diameter of the tube a little bit and lined it with a cardboard sleeve so that it shouldn't ring when you're going down the road. The slides are done. So, got the roller bearings, ball bearings underneath there. It's adjustable there so that you can run the tube up or down a little bit to level the thing out, but I'm not sure that it's even going to be necessary. Anyway, that works. Slide pads, the way I did these things, so that you can take the inner tube out if you ever needed to access the other end, because once I weld a perch onto here, you're not going to be able to slide it out the other side. Plastic insert inside there, so if you just pulled the two bolts off there, nuts, you'll be able to take the plate off and slide the whole slide out this end. And the thing works like butter. So happy with that. It's been 4 or 5 months probably since it ran. So since the fuel tank's all hooked up, let's see if we can get her to run. Go green, own a Cummins. I love the whole no windshield thing. Trying to set the length of the side skirting, and I'm kind of bound by the size of the propane tank that I'm mounting on the other side of it. But this side I have on, and this is a pretty substantial little groove I've got it in here, and it's still not, it's a couple inches away from the ground, so I'm pretty happy with that side. This junk starts so much better than a truck that's 7 years newer with the updated version of the Cummins, but awesome. Red rusty primer. Stabilizer jacks, front and rear. 2 on either end of the truck. Pull a pin and turn it 90 degrees. So it's facing down, stick the pin back in, and these are fast action jacks, so all you gotta do is step on the foot of it, and then you crank it down. Simple as that. 12 volt, 40 inch, 400 pounds of pushing force, linear actuator for the slide out. Until next time, wish me luck, because I got about 4 months to get this thing rolling down the road, and I have so much to do yet. Take care, guys. So trying to set the height.